ready to transform your flat, lifeless animations into dynamic, eye-catching scenes with just a few simple tweaks. First, let's open up Adobe Animate and create a new project. I'm using the HTML5 canvas document type, but this works with ActionScript 30 as well. Now, import your background elements onto separate layers. Name these layers appropriately so you can keep things organized. For example, mountains, trees, and sky. The magic happens in the Layer Depth panel. Find it under the Window menu. This panel lets you adjust the depth of each layer. Select the layer you want to appear furthest back. In my case, that's the mountain layer in the Layer Depth panel. Drag the slider to the left to push it further back into the distance. Notice how the Z depth value changes. The lower the value, the further back the layer appears. Next, select the trees layer and move its slider to the right, giving it a higher Z depth value. This brings it closer to the viewer. Finally, put your foreground element, like this car, on its own layer and keep its Z depth value the highest of all the elements. Make sure the layers in your timeline are stacked in the correct order. Background layers at the bottom, foreground layers at the top. Now, use the camera tool to pan across your scene. Notice how the layers with different Z depth values move at different speeds, creating a parallax effect. This adds a sense of depth and realism to your animation. Experiment with different Z depth values to achieve your desired effect. By manipulating layer depth, you can easily create stunning parallax effects and visual hierarchy, making your animations more immersive and engaging. Now go create something amazing.